Hello, today is July 5th. Yes. So the previous video I was talking about a new subscriptions that I got because I canceled another one, an old one, a book subscription, and I decided that it was time to change subscriptions. I love to have subscription, I know. I think I have an addiction. And this is another of the subscriptions that I got. This is Kelly Purkey. I hope I say in the right way the name, but I will put the name there. And it just arrived. This time I got, oh, I think I can open here. And this time I got the subscription kit and an extra kit, just to show you how it works. So let's get everything out of here. And now let's guess, oh, what I have here. This is a card. Let me see. Yeah, it's a thank you card. And then I have another with the, sorry, I was keeping it this way because they give you like a code that you can use for a 15% discount as soon as you subscribe to Kelly Perk. And let's go first with this one. I'm not sure which one is which one, but I can explain as soon as I open. And this is, I believe this is the mini kit, maybe? Yes, I think this is the mini kit. The mini kit, this is the July 4th mini kit, and it comes with stamps. It has different Happy 4th America, United States of America, and then you have also like maybe like a shadow thing. Then you have US, made in USA, fireworks, and a little circle that you can cover also with color. It has two pins, one with United States of America map, and this one said this is America with a star. Can you see there? You get cards. This one is the United States of America, and it has the same one in different color in the back, if you want in that way. Fireworks, and same in different color. From sea to swimming, sorry, from sea to shining sea. Just to write something. This is more like a green and this is black. July 4th. If you want to do like a black and white color. And then you have more fireworks. Baby, you are a firework. Boom, boom, boom. Two different colors. Stars in a red background and stars in black background. Stripes, red, white, and blue. And the stars in red, white, and blue, but in other direction. And then this is 4th of July essentials. Sparkle, hot dogs, burger, fireworks, and the same. And then you get, these are from A to Q. Oh, it comes to the other side. Oh, there it is, with also numbers, all the alphabet and numbers here. It's in white. It's really hard to see, but they are white. And I love this because I like to use white too. This kit was, the cost was $17.50. The kits on this website has different prices. You can find kits that goes from $17.50 to $22.50. So it depends totally of what you are looking or buying, and sometimes they have the sales going. So I took advantage of this one that was in good price, and I wanted to use for what I got in July 4th. It was yesterday. I took beautiful pictures, and I will build today my my project life. And now we have the subscription kit. The price for this one, if you apply for 12 months, is $17.50 plus $4 of shipment. So let's see what we get here. Okay, and this comes with stamps. I don't know if you will be able to see better there. Let's see. Yeah, the stamp said summer bucket list, photo evidence, summer vibes, living my best summer life, see, read, visit, play, home, travel, watch, eat. Let's do this. And this is like activity, and then you can have like a mark when you put like a checklist, the name and the date. Very cute. I got more alphabet and numbers. I never have enough of these, and I use a lot on my projects and on my journal. Then you have these ones. These are longer. Why I took this Traveler is Traveler's Notebook Kit, by the way, and because I cut a lot of them and I know that I can cut. Like this one, it says summertime. Looks like, takes like, feels like, smell like, sounds like. My favorite summer was because, and then it has color in the background. So if you are thinking of where you can use that, just a second, let me show you. I do my journaling, bullet journal, everything in Happy Planner. So since I'm doing the new one, let me see here. Oh, here, like these ones. If you go to the beginning of the month, this sticker I moved so many times, you can cut these parts like here and put in this area if you want, instead of that. Like these kind of things I don't use currently reading, because I have my book reading stuff and what I'm working on. So I can cut these parts and just complete in that area, and I think will work amazing. So I am not worried about that. But if I don't want to use that, I have also nice color in the background. This is something that I was looking on one of the videos, and that is the reason I like, because you have this color behind that, then you have again the color, but when you turn you have a green color if you want to use that. Then you have another one with the green color, and then stripes to squares. It looks like a tablecloth, right? Number 1, number 2. Now here, this can be nice for like cut this and put in my journaling. My journaling goes, this is July. I love to journal in this way. So if I cut like, and I want to use, I can have pictures there and make this like an insert for this part if I don't want to put all the complete papers and everything. So I love this. I will be using in both ways, and more than I have two if I use two. Now I want to tell you, if you're using like a Project Life or the Happy Planner inserts, you can cut this to fit. Let's go to the back side, since this is what you can cut this to fit the inserts of the Project Life and cover, and depend of what size are you using. Like if you have the squares one, you can cut so many squares of this, so you can alternate with pictures, or if you have like this, like backgrounds for pictures, they will work amazing, you know. So that's the reason I liked the travel kit. It was a better price, and also it was more functional for the kind of work that I love to do on my planner. So here we go, the red one, and behind the other red I have Here Comes Summer. This can be cut also and be so cute. After that one comes this with color. Like I said, this can have so many functions. You can not only use the background, you can use also this part. It's like buying extra paper. Then you have this, it's like orange, it's really cute. really cute. And then you have more orange there. And don't forget that you can mix media, like if you cut the orange you can put there, and just try to play with the backgrounds. Then you have little bubbles. Behind the little bubbles you have, this looks also like kind of maybe like pineapple slices. After that, pineapple slices. Oh, I love this. I love this. I think I will be using totally that one. And then you have more summertime. I honestly, with the pictures that I got for this July 4th, this will work really good for me. So this is the kit. As you can see, it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of these papers. It comes with a stamp and comes with the lettering. Exactly same price than the mini kit that I got. But like I said, everything depends on what or which one of the mini kits you're buying. The subscription was really nice. $17.50 is a price that I'm okay to pay for all these papers and everything. Like I say, I love also the other subscriptions options that they have. They have a monthly project, but the price is like $26.50. I'm not sure if you subscribe for 12 months how much it is. And then it has the swap bags that are $24.50. They are really good. They have a lot of items. But if you get a subscription of these, they give you, like I said, this is my subscription, this is my mini kit. They give you code that you can have 50% off for whatever you want to buy on the website. I will try to work today with these because I have all those pictures and I want to put together, and I know that I will enjoy it. This maybe will be the main focus, and this paper will be so good for more for the meals and everything. I hope you enjoyed of these, and I will be doing some other videos how I put together my kits, and I will see you soon. Thank you for watching, and I see you soon. Bye.